Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2866th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading on Wednesday. That is the 12th of February, 2025. So, you know it's risky out there. Risky. Never trade without stops. Put your protective stops in first. Please act the part of a professional and protect your equity. All right, so first thing I'm going to say is remember this, what I'm going to say, get it in your ears and do it after this video. Watch Friday's video again. The analysis remains absolutely valid. I put it out on Friday afternoon for trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for trading this week. I put it out Friday so that you all had time to do homework. That video analysis remains absolutely valid. The link will be below this video. Rewatch Friday's video, link below this. It'll explain what's going on out there and why you're hearing this video from me now. Tuesday evening, Dow Jones daily bar. Since the double top, we have set back, right? Boom, we have set back and set back. We're setting back. We're not rallying up since that double top was made and there was a double top reaction. That's in the Dow Jones daily bar. That's the main market, right? Remember, watch Friday's video again when this one's over. Let's go look at the transportation average. You remember in Friday's video, I also showed you that the leader of U.S. indices, at least who Charles Dow, the market's named the Dow Jones, right? Charles Dow, he deemed the transportation average the leader of U.S. indices. Not every day, you cannot tie to the hip, but overall, transportation average tends to lead the rest of the indices around. Well, that has a big head and shoulders. A head and shoulders generally, not always, but generally produces a down move when it's over. So you've got a head and shoulders in the Dow Jones Transportation Average, which many times can be the leader of ES, NASDAQ, Russell, Dow, Trading, all that stuff. A lot of times the Transportation Average is deemed the leader. So you've got a head and shoulders, which is also deemed a bearish formation overall. Doesn't mean tomorrow, but bearish overall. So that analysis was in Friday's video. As I just mentioned, as you know, we've had this top for quite some time, this double top, and we haven't penetrated or gotten above that yet. So that's looming above the market. And then you've got this. You've seen the Dow Jones Transportation Average, right? Well, the Russell 2000 has just about the exact same size head and shoulders. Both of those, the one I just showed you in the transports and the Russell, are built below this average. Look at this orange average. The whole right shoulder is below the average. Looks to be a right shoulder, looks to be a head and shoulders, and should end up bearish in the end. Not that it means that will happen tomorrow. So we've got that bearish look still, and we're not above it. If we could get above this, well, of course, if we get above all of this, we would relook at everything and take another look and say, okay, now that we're above the bearishness, how high does it go? For now, we've got to get past all this stuff before we can project higher, right? So you've got that. And also, if I remember right, in that same video on Friday, I showed you Bitcoin. And I said Bitcoin, just like the markets, are reeling from a double top, top one, top two. Since then, it's been down, down, down. Right? Down, down, down. I also mentioned what I didn't like is that there's usually more distance between the hitting of this trend line right here. Boom, hits it. Boom, hits it. Big stretch. Boom, hits it. Stretch, hits it. But then it went up and hit it again right here. This is what it looked like on Friday, Bitcoin. Let's add Monday and Tuesday in. That's these bars right here. This would be tonight, Wednesday, so we'll pull that. Monday and Tuesday below this trend line. Not usual. Not usual, right? So you've got all of that working technically against the markets. I'm a day trader. If somebody comes up with a bullish signal, I'm compelled to buy. It does not matter, but I just want you to recognize that this analysis remains valid. So I urge you to watch Friday's video. The analysis absolutely is valid still. The link is below. I hope this helps you get prepared for the markets. I will meet you all at livewithoscar.com. You can always join me in my free trading room. It's absolutely free. No credit cards are required. Just go to livewithoscar.com. Register, you'll get an email, it'll go to spam, promise you that's where your password's going to go. Shoot it back from spam and click the password, click the link back, and you can join me in my live trading room just like that. In fact, I'm in that live trading room right now. I'm always in that live trading room. See, that's me. Whether I put the camera on or not, I'm always there. I'm there filming for you right now. And I kid you not even a credit card's required. Just come hang out with me and we'll see where we go from there. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope these videos help. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.